Asplenium antiquum. Asplenium antiquum is a fern of the group known as bird's nest ferns. In Japanese it is known by ō-tani-watari and tani-watari. Description: Asplenium antiquum is an evergreen fern, 2-3 fort. 60-90 cm. It has bright green, arching blades with a pointed end and a strong midrib. Asplenium antiquum can readily be distinguished from the closely related Asplenium nittis by its fronds of uniform width. Chemical composition: myrcetin 37 dirhamnoside, a glycoside of the flavanol myrcetin, can be found in A. antiquum. Taxonomy: Global phylogeny of Asplenium published in 2020 divided the genus into 11 clades, which were given informal names pending further taxonomic study. A. antiquum belongs to the Neotopterus clade, members of which generally have somewhat leathery leaf tissue. While the subclades of this group are poorly resolved, A. antiquum belongs to one of these subclades, together with A. antrophoides, A. cymbipholium, A. humbertii, and A. philatides. Other bird's nest ferns, such as A. nittis sensulato and A. australasiacum, form a separate subclade which is not particularly closely related. Distribution: The fern is native to temperate East Asia in China, Japan, Korea, and Taiwan on cliffs, dark forests, and tree trunks. It is an endangered species in its native habitats. Cultivation: The fern is commonly available in the plant nursery trade as an ornamental plant in subtropical climates and a houseplant in the United States and Europe in zones 9 and 10. It requires high humidity and bright indirect light, so does best in a greenhouse or terrarium if grown indoors. It needs regular watering and can do with minimal soil similar to an orchid. The soil should always be humid but not soaking wet.